बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अस्सलाम वालेकुम। वेलकम टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल HVAC ऑफिशियल। हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल आइकन को प्रेस करें। HVAC इंटरव्यू क्वेश्चन एंड आंसर्स पार्ट 2। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, why vacuum process is used for the refrigeration and air conditioning? A, to remove moisture. B, to remove dust. C, to remove refrigerant. Answer is A. Question number 2, which is not a part of vapor compression system? A, compressor. B, accumulator. C, absorber. Answer is C. Question number 3, which refrigerant used in domestic air conditioner? A, R11. B, R12. C, R22. Answer is C, R22. Question number 4, which instrument control the temperature of water in water cooler? A, thermostat switch. B, relay. C, overload protector. Answer is A. Question number 5, hygrometer is used to measure dash. A, dry bulb temperature. B, wet bulb temperature. C, both. Answer is C, both. Question number 6, thermostat sense the dash in air conditioner. A, pressure. B, humidity. C, temperature. Answer is C. Question number 7, crankshaft is used in dash type of compressor? A, reciprocating compressor. B, centrifugal compressor. C, rotary compressor. Answer is A, reciprocating compressor. Question number 8, which air conditioner is better for power saving? A, inverter AC. B, non-inverter AC. C, both. Answer is A, inverter AC. Question number 9, Fahrenheit is unit of dash. A, temperature. B, speed. C, pressure. Answer is A, temperature. Question number 10, compressor is used to dash in refrigeration system. A, to increase the pressure of refrigerant. B, to increase the temperature of refrigerant. C, both. Answer is C, both. हमारे वीडियो को लाइक करें, कमेंट करें, शेयर करें और HVAC ऑफिशियल को सब्सक्राइब करें। थैंक्स फॉर वाचिंग HVAC ऑफिशियल।